In this video, I'll be showing you how you can customize the music release page. So if you click on the music, you will be able to see a release grid which has a big featured image and some other columns, 4 column, 6 and text and this column. So let's make it better. Let's change the look. First of all, change the default template into Visual Composer page and remove this featured image. Now you can see that there are already 3 and 4 column as well as 6 column. So let's remove the 6 column, and we don't need this also. Let's make it bigger. Now let's save it. If you refresh it, you can see the page has been changed. If you don't want this also, let's remove it. Let's remove the 3 column and try to add more 8 songs. Quantity is 8 and let's save it. Okay, this is much better. Now let's try to add a background to this page. So let's add this as a background and let's make this a fade background. So when we will come down, it will fade. When we'll go up, it will show a background. Let's try to see how it looks. So this is the background. Let's go down, it will be faded. Let's go up, we again see the background. Cool. Let's make this from left to center. Edit text. Okay, so this is in the center. We have 8 music. That's it. Thank you.